Scott. We're doing a quick little tour of my 2019 Renegade Verona LE Super C motorhome. I bought it new last March of 19. Comes with a Freightliner M2 chassis, cab chassis combo. Here to my right, I had a couch here, and I decided that mountain biking and fireplaces were a little more important, so I got rid of the couch and I installed the fireplace, and I put the bike here for transportation, and it also stays there when I'm home to remind me to ride and not watch TV, as the TV sits back here. I've got full kitchen with no propane. This coach doesn't have any propane on board. It's all electric, so I have an induction cooktop, convection. I ordered it with theater seating and the freestanding table and chairs set up. Those recline and unfortunately are very comfortable to sit in. More storage in here than I could possibly dream of for at least a single person. Here I have the full-size residential fridge that's all electric. I have yet to fill it completely. Ice maker, full tile floor throughout the whole coach. This ended up being like the dream coach that I've always wanted, and finally got to that point. In buying any coach, none of them are perfect. In this coach, they had a wall here and a pocket door for the commode, and coming to find out that it was very difficult to get into the washer and dryer here, so I removed this wall, retrimmed it, fixed the tile so it was easier to get into the full-size washer and dryer units here, and makes this a lot more open and a lot easier to deal with. And here in the back is your typical king-size bed, bedroom. Lots of cabinet space for storage. I have 3 closets for hanging clothes, and another entertainment center back here from the bedroom. And I have 150 gallons of water on board underneath the bed. It makes it really nice to boondock. Hey guys, the outside of my rig here. When I bought it new, or anything I buy, it's hard for me to leave anything alone. So I added this bumper. With the amount of miles that I drive, roughly 20 to 25,000 miles a year, I decided to put this bumper on the front. I added some fog lamps underneath. The 2019 models came with condensate light bulb assemblies, and I upgraded them to LEDs. I just wanted something extra on the front, just in case something happens. I also have worked on making shelving units for chairs to make things a lot easier for storage and to gain access to things that I need. These rigs also come with an outdoor entertainment center. I have more storage here for my work stuff. I work coast to coast working on industrial equipment, so that bays all my work stuff. I also have back here, because craft beer is so important, we have an outdoor refrigerator full of any kind of craft beer that one can possibly think of. And there's always a rotating stock of something in here from myself and my friends. Back here, I like to rock crawl, and I don't like flat towing a Jeep. So I've put my Jeep on a trailer because I travel by myself, and it's so much easier to back up with a trailer. Life is much better with a trailer. It's kind of a pain in the ass putting the Jeep on the trailer. I also have my bike rack here to put on the back of the Jeep for when I do go riding. And that's the outside of my rig. Hey, I'm Scott Chipman, and thanks for taking the time to check out my rig today. Hopefully we'll see you on the road someday soon. Thanks.